Hi, this is Sangvi Ramesh. Now I'm going to do this program. Now Tom has n number of balls. He wanted to build a pyramid using the balls, and he arranges it in a particular order. One ball in the first row, two balls in the second row, and three balls in the third row, so on and so forth. Now when we go to the program, now hash include iostream, it is the header file. Using namespace std, we use this because each time instead of declaring std.cout, std.cin, we can declare it at the top and simply we can enter cout. Now int main, when we come to the main function, we are declaring variables here. N is for the number of balls, I, j, k we use it as the looping variables, and x we will keep it as the count variable to count the number of balls used. Now cout, enter the number of balls. Cin will enter, we'll get the input from the user. And after that we are storing the value of n, particular value of n in a variable a. Now entering to the loop, here j and k loop are nested within the I loop. This is known as the nested loop. One loop within the other loop is known as the nested loop. Now for I is equal to 1, the value of I at present is 1, I is less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. After that it will go to the j. When I is 1, it will go to the j loop. Here j is equal to a, j is greater than or equal to I, that is 1, and j minus minus, and cout it will print a space. Now the value of a, now for example keep the value of a as 5. So 5, then it will print a space, then it will become 4, it will print a space, then until it becomes 1, it will print a space. So total number of spaces will be 5. Then next it will go to the, after printing 5 spaces, it will go to the k loop. Here k is equal to 1, k is less than or equal to I, and k plus plus. Here I, the value of I is 1, so it will print a single star. Then it will come out of the loop. When k becomes 2, it doesn't satisfy the condition, it will come out of the loop. After coming out of the loop, it will print a new line. It will go to the next line, and n is equal to n minus x. X is the count variable. At present the count variable is 0, so n is equal to n minus 0. N will remain the same, and x plus plus, because we have used one ball, the x will be incremented by 1. Now cout, the maximum height for a number of balls is x. Now when we look at the output, then enter the number of balls. Now if we enter 15, the maximum height for 15 number of balls is 5. Thank you.